Hello everybody and welcome to this quick tutorial for cloud-based review and approval using ScratchWeb with Premiere. ScratchWeb is designed to easily provide secure cloud-based review, approval and dailies for your clients, and also apply online notes for direct communication. You can integrate ScratchWeb in your own website and make it your review tool. So let's start here in Premiere, where I have this shot that I've graded and edited and now want to share it with my client for review. You can publish from almost any format, even camera raw formats, to ScratchWeb. ScratchPlay will read the file, encode and upload it. However, Premiere allows me to set up the export in the same way Scratch would encode the file for upload. So if I select H.264 as my format and set my video profile to high in 4.2 for an HD sized output and my audio encoding to AAC, ScratchPlay will not need to re-encode the resulting MP4 file and can just upload it, which is a bit of a time saver. Let's put it here inside this folder called From Premiere and then render it. Once the render is done, I can just drag and drop the shot to the ScratchPlay icon and then use ScratchPlay to publish to ScratchWeb, simply by clicking on the Publish Media button. So from the Publish menu, let's first choose a title, for example, To Approve. Then, from the Subscribers tab, I can write down the email addresses of all of the people I want to review the shot. Back to the Publish tab. I can also choose the resolution and put in my ScratchWeb account info. Within my ScratchWeb account, I can have multiple channels. Let's choose the channel for this project or client, and let's publish by clicking on Start. You can follow the upload process on this window, and once it's done, you can check it on your ScratchWeb account. Now our client is going to receive an email with a link and password to enter the ScratchWeb channel and see the shot. Remember that ScratchWeb is not just per shot. You can also publish a bunch of shots, a timeline, and versions of the same shot to be approved. From here, the client can play the shot and interact with notes. Let's add a note. The client can access ScratchWeb from any standard web browser and can review on any platform that supports a standard web browser, including iPhone and Android smartphones. Back at our Premiere machine. Now we can see from our ScratchWeb account that the shot was reviewed by the client and I have some notes on it. So I can use these notes to readjust this shot following the annotations in the notes and re-export it. After re-export it from Premiere, we can republish it using ScratchPlay the same way as we did before until our client approves. Thanks for watching this tutorial. To summarize, these are the things you need to publish to ScratchWeb. First, get your trial ScratchWeb account to manage your online publications. Next, install a copy of the free ScratchPlay desktop application. And third, review more tutorial videos about ScratchWeb to learn about customization of the interface, more advanced user and access management, and also publishing multiple clips and versions at once. Thanks again for your interest.